Proclamation of winning candidate for the member of House of Representatives from District 4, Manila. Republic of the Philippines Commission on Elections, CEF number 22, Certificate of Canvass of Votes and Proclamation of Winning Candidate for Member House of Representatives, May 12, 2025 National, Local, and Bar Parliamentary Elections, May 12, 2025. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 252 Class A precincts for the candidates therein for Member House of Representatives in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part hereof is a statement of votes by precincts, CEF number 20-A, garnered by each candidate for the office of Member House of Representatives. That after such canvass, it appears that Maceda, Dr. Giselle, garnered 54,446 votes for the office of Member House of Representatives, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidate as the duly elected Member House of Representatives of NCR City of Manila, 4th Legislative District, Province of National Capital Region, Manila. In witness whereof, we affix our signature and imprint our thumb marks in the City of Manila, Province of NCR, Manila, this May 13, 2025 at 4:03 p.m. City Board of Canvassers, Chairperson Jericho M. Jimenez, Vice Chairperson Giovanni T. Lim, Member Secretary Nerissa R. Lomero.